People, wagwan, welcome back to my channel, guys. Me got turn up in here now. People, this artist is Alkaline. A lot of people rate this artist and a lot of people do not rate this artist. Most of them that do not rate this artist under the quiet, bro. Y'all listen to his song, bro. Like Alkaline never fail. He's been dangerous for so long, bro. And even he's getting a lot of fight as well. You understand? People, let's get right into it. But before we get right into it, guys, share the video, like the video, guys. Yo, just like up a video and share up a video, bro. Just get mad now, cause we're dangerous now. We're dangerous. Get mad.
Dangerous.
Hold up, people. Like, the viewers is there, bro. Once Alkaline post a song, bro, once he drop a song, bro, like, y'all know a lot of words going to end that song, bro. You understand? Like, most of you guys love the mix-up, though. But a lot of words and lyrics is going to end this song. This guy is lyrically, bro. Lyrically.
Dangerous. Check him out, get put palm out. When I pull it and I fire and shot. Fussy run well like I said I'm here news.
On a run when I like say on the air news. Alkaline never feel, bro. He's more lyrical than most of these dancehall artists, bro. No cap.
Kinda warm and master, cool than Alaska, man, go do any slaughter.
Yeah.
While them a meds and a scan penny and quarter, send them a funeral parlor. Yo, that dangerous piece of boy. Walk on the ends and crush it out one chip's eye. Move for the place, shoes up about and splinter fly. No never give one up blind, stay there, think a tie. Fully stick and we go mash up them there. Get this more than all of this to keep them cross our way. Look here, watch jump up together, somebody I go pay. From them, this will be kinda warm and master, cool than Alaska, man, go do any slaughter. All them a meds and a scan penny and quarter, send them a funeral parlor. Yo, that chat him out, get put palm out.
Chat him out, get put palm mute. A lot of these artists, Alkaline put on mute, bro. Do not keep. Let me see all my Vendetta fans them now. You understand? Share the video and subscribe and play with me. Now
pull it in a shot. Fussy run well like I said I'm here news. Dangerous youth. At we are gangster, them a handicap. And the girl them they are near.
That bad. We are gangster, them a handicap.
Guns and plenty rocks. But them wife she a give wedding ash. Body end up missing when the light a gash.
Hold on, what do you mean by that, bro? Their wife a give wedding ash? Yo. Mix up time again. Bro, he do not have to call. Yo, matter of fact, he do not call no name, bro. He do not call no name, bro. So don't point it at some other artist, bro. He do not say no name, bro. He's smart. He's smart.
See if you with job. Can't match up, me I tell you that. God them here, them a go want a family plot. Badness from the scratch. Does that welcome at place where them hang out on in a empty spot. Real bad man.
Place where them hang out on in an empty spot, bro. This guy get a lot of fight named Alkaline, bro. Do not fight this dangerous youth, bro, because he been dangerous, bro. No,
plus young, them can contest when I join shows. Go get minds up for your take boost. Oh, pull it through and cook that goes. God dead, yeah, that then chose. Our world boy have to pay Joes. Oh, check him out, get put palm out. When I pull it and I fire and shot. Fussy run well like I said I'm here news. Dangerous youth. Kinda warm and master, cool than Alaska, man, go do any slaughter.
Any slaughter. Once Javi produced this one, bro, after it, bro, like many other songs out there without Javi produce, bro, still it, bro. You understand? No cap, this is Alkaline, bro. Get a lot of fight. He been tough like stone, bro. Yo, a lot of these people, bro, they hate this guy, but yet still they rate this guy.
Tell them a meds and a scan penny and quarter, send them a funeral parlor.
Get put palm
dangerous.
Hey,
Dangerous.
do not mute and the subscribe right now. Subscribe and run it up fast.
Dangerous.
Dangerous now.
Dangerous. 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 Dangerous.
Sound tough, bro. Bro, you see that picture, bro? It's in the ghetto. Bro, like y'all reach the end of this video, bro. Bro, when you go out, like when you're home, right, and you have a river in your backyard or someone's backyard or somewhere, bro, you have a river, bro. Once it's not moving, bro, it's dangerous, bro. Do not go in that water, bro. Once it's not moving, it just stays still like this. Dangerous. It is the same rhythm. You understand? The rhythm, bro. The rhythm now, pam, 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 like too much shot of fire. You understand? It just calm and deadly, bro. Dangerous. You understand? Go for mute. People, subscribe right now. Y'all reach the end of this video. Lot of fight this artist get. You understand? Yeah. Do the right thing. See him with Alkaline. Big up yourself. Bang! People, I'm out.